Here we divide 657 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 7 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 657 divided by 5 is 131 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.